Which color do you like?
I'm asking you, what do you think it will suit mommy?
Purple.
Purple? This time? And baby Celine? I love you, baby Celine.
I will pick her up later.
Oh, you will pick her up later?
And you.
Oh, no. We are picking you up later.
No, you.
So, do you like for you, anniversary, sabi niya, that's Gucci na hoodie. Sana all...
They're for sleeping.
They're for sleeping? How do you call them?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I just gonna tell Daddy.
Ask Daddy what this. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our
Chinese.
Who said Chinese? Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday, everyone. Walang pasok today, so super excited ang everyone. Come here, anak. Come here. So, may lakad tayo today, guys. Kaya naman, tingnan nyo nakabili si Mommy and the family. Pero magkakahiwalay kami ngayon. Kasi Mommy is going to have her nails done. Ayan. So, today is parang pamper day ni Mommy nyo. Kasi, tingnan nyo ang aking kuko, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh, nangabali na.
Mommy.
Ayan. I haven't done it for so long. Like, seriously, months, guys. Kasi nga nag-lockdown and all. So, hindi ko napagawa ang aking kuko. So, finally, gagawin natin yung sa kamay natin today. And then, after that, guys, 1 o'clock, meron akong appointment for pregnancy massage. Anak, Mommy is going for a pregnancy massage. Do you know that? Here. What's this now? Oh! Show Tita and Tito your outfit, babe. Here. So, here's my outfit.
It's not my outfit.
Stand up there, babe. Come on. Say, Daddy will take you to...
The bishop.
Ayan. Hindi kami magkasama, guys, because, diba, pamper day ni Mami nyo, so hindi ko to sila masasama. Alam nga naman, dun lang sila maghintay sa akin, diba? So, Paris and Daddy Mike will go somewhere. They'll go to the park or they'll go to the shops. Where are you going with Daddy?
In the big shop.
In the big shop?
Bicycle toys.
What are you gonna do?
Bicycle toys.
Really?
Yeah.
You ask Daddy if that's the case? Ask Daddy if that's what you're doing. So, ayun guys, I'm super excited kasi alam niyo yun kapag may ginagawa ka para sa sarili mo, and I'm looking forward na mag-relax ako today. Kaya, sobrang maaga akong gumising kasi excited ako para dito, guys. Ano lang yata ngayon? 10 o'clock lang, appointment ko 10:15. Hindi naman siya malayo i-drive, kaya it's okay. But yeah, outfit natin for today. And, ayan, nag-makeup talaga si Mami niyo, guys. Nag-effort talaga si, A for effort. Para naman, magmukhang tao tayo. Ayan. Kasi mag-relax-relax tayo paggawa ang ating kuko. So, outfit natin is this. So, sa ilalim nilagyan ko lang ng yung singlet na black. Tapos, hindi ko na to siya masara-sara. So, parang lang siya, linen, cotton na long sleeve. Pero, I did, tupi-tupi like that. And then, I've got leggings, and then I've got my white runners, sneakers. Then I got this para naman, ma-warm tayo kasi I can see merong araw sa labas pero it will still be cold for sure. What did Daddy say? What did Daddy say?
Nothing.
Nothing? Did you say you're going to the shop?
Yeah.
Ba?
Yeah.
I'm going.
Okay. Say bye, Mommy.
Say bye-bye, Mama.
Tito's gonna drive us.
Say hi, Daddy. Come here.
I wanna come too.
Yes, anak.
I wanna come.
Yeah, you go with Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Good morning.
Money.
Ayan. Fresh na fresh din ang ating Daddy Mike.
Hi, me and you are going on a cow of Tito.
You go with Daddy. You go play. Okay?
Where?
I'll go pick you up later.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll pick you up later. So you go with Daddy play and you get Shopkins toy.
Okay.
Okay? Come here.
Where I'm going, Mommy?
Ooh, Mama's gonna get her nails done. What color do you want me to get?
Pink again.
Pink again?
Yeah.
How about something else?
You went pink.
I had pink last time.
You want to say a pink one then? You purple.
Was it purple last time? Okay. Oh, I thought it was pink. I was wrong. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Which color do you like?
I'm asking you, what do you think it will suit Mommy?
Purple.
Purple? This time? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Give Mommy a kiss tayo. And baby Celine? Love you, baby Celine.
I will pick her up later.
Oh, you will pick her up later?
And you.
No. We are picking you up later.
Now you.
Mom, she kissed my tummy and she said that I'll pick you up later.
You don't need me. But Mama's going now, we gotta go.
Okay, let's go up. Are you going now too?
Oh yeah, waiting for Uber.
Alright, Daddy.
Hi, Mom.
See you later. You enjoy, okay?
Okay.
You message Mama? Umulan ng umulan kagabi ba? Tingnan niyo. Basang-basa sa ulan. Check natin itong mailbox. Ooh. What's in here? Mamaya ko na yan siya kunin. Uy. Mga papel. See, tingnan nyo guys. Sobrang maginaw pa rin talaga. Kahit na merong araw. Good morning, car. Ang ating car, kawawa dito. Alam nyo guys, kung bakit hindi namin to siya mapark sa loob. It's because, meron kasi nagtatanong, wala ba daw garage? Meron kaming garage guys, pero, sobrang bright guys. So, yun na nga, meron kaming garage na isa, pero yung garage ginawa ni Daddy Mike na gym niya. Nilagay niya yung mga gym apparatus niya, kaya hindi namin yung sasakyan doon. And you know what? Yung garage din is sobrang liit. Like, kahit nung Mazda pa yung sasakyan namin, sobrang nahihirapan akong mag-park kasi napakaliit. Pag open mo ng door, baka mabang pa yung door sa sa dingding. Kaya, we just chose to park it outside. Ayan. And hoping na hindi siya mag-hail, hindi siya hindi siya ulan ng ice ba? Para hindi mag-dent tong ating sasakyan.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo. It's now 11:27 ng umaga. Ayan. And kakatapos ko lang magpagawa ng aking kuko. I'll show you the color, guys. Actually, hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Kasi but it's my fault kasi every time kasi na pumupunta ako dyan, always kong pinipili yung pink. And then today, I decided na gusto kong, like, something different naman, different than pink. So, kinuha ko yung green, guys. I don't know if I like it. Ayan. Para siyang, apple green, pastel green. Ayan. And also, kasi maikli yung aking kuko, so hindi siya masyadong girly tingnan. Ayan. Diba, kinat ko siya ng very short talaga. Para mawala yung SNS ko last time. But yeah, that's the color. What do you think? Okay lang naman siya, pero hindi talaga yung parang favorite ko. Alam niyo, minsan pag lumalabas ka ng nail salon, sinasabi mo na, that's what I love. I really love these nails. But oh well, you know, it's gonna grow long and then I have to come back and get another color. It's alright for now, guys. No, maganda naman siya. Hindi naman siya sobrang pangit talaga. Ayan. And then, si Daddy Mike tsaka si Paris, nasa shop na pala sila. Nagsend na ng photo si Daddy Mike. And you know what? Tinawagan nila ako. Ayan, tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl, oh. Tingnan nyo ang kinain. Kumain na ng donuts. Tinawagan ako ni Daddy Mike kasi sabi daw ni Paris, she wants a little haircut. Tapos, Paris never had a haircut before. Kaya sabi ko, no, she's not having one. Kasi, I don't know, I want her hair to grow longer. And, pag nakat na yun siya, kasi short pa yung hair niya ngayon. Tapos, pag ikakat pa yan, magiging, ano na, hanggang, ano na lang. Hindi ko na siya matatay or centipede, ganun. Kaya sabi ko, no, let's wait. And also, I think deep inside me, guys, the reason is that gusto ko, nandun ako sa unang haircut ng aking baby girl kasi it's special time, diba? First time is always special. Kaya ayun. Anyways, my appointment for my pregnancy massage is not until 1 o'clock. Kaya meron pa tayong 1 hour and a half. So magkakape muna ako, guys. Punta muna ako dun sa cafe. I'll get hot chocolate, a hot drink for myself, and maybe something to eat as well. Para mamaya, punta na tayo doon sa ating pregnancy massage. That is where I'm going, guys, for my pregnancy massage. Ang tagal kong hinanap, nandyan lang pala. Body balance. Hello guys, time check tayo. It's now 2:15 ng hapon. Yan, kakatapos lang ng ating pregnancy massage. And oh boy, it feels good. Nakaka-relax, guys. Although, ano lang yung minasage sa akin, yung parang from balakang lang to, sa paa talaga. Kasi yun talaga yung parang kinumplain ko sa kanila. Yung upper part naman, guys, yung dito sa, dito sa shoulders, yung ganun, okay lang naman sa akin. Yung akin lang talaga is yung bottom part. So, ayun. So, 45 minutes din yun, guys. And you know what? They charge, $80 for 45 minutes. Sobrang mahal, no? Alam niyo, sa Pilipinas, yung hilot, kung tutuusin, yung mama ko lang yung maghihilot sa akin ba? Sobrang, lang siguro. Yung manghihilot, mananabang hilot, ganyan sa Pilipinas, sobrang cheap. Anyways, we're not in the Philippines, we're in Australia. So yun na nga, guys, diba? Kaya nga sa Australia, even though yes, medyo malaki yung sweldo mo compared sa Pilipinas, pero yung gastos mo naman is malaki kasi malaki talaga yung mga bilihin dito, mga babayarin. Kaya parang lang siya, even lang siya. It's very nice kung you earn dollar tapos peso yung yung spend mo, 'di ba? But if you earn dollar and spend dollar, it's the same thing, guys. Anyways, before pala ako pumunta doon kanina sa sa ating massage, I went to Chemist Warehouse. Bumili ako ng mga kakailanganin ko. So, naubusan na ako ng yung eyebrow pencil ko. So, ito yung ginagamit ko at the moment kasi wala lang, nagagandahan ako. Very easy to use. So, I've got this L'Oreal na Skinny Definer Brow Artist. Ayan. Tapos yung kinuha ko is yung brunette. I've got L'Oreal. Oh, L'Oreal din pala to. Toner. Ayan. Nagustuhan ko talaga to siya, guys. Mauubos na yung isa ko. Bumili ako the same thing. Kasi pag nagustuhan ko yung isang bagay, why do I need to change, diba? At ito ay hiyang sa aking mukha. And the last one here is just this wipes. Ayan. So, ngayon, ay, si Daddy Mike pala, at saka si Paris, diba, kanina pumunta sila ng shopping center. So, doon pala sila pumunta sa malaking shopping center sa Chadstone. And you know what? Hindi ako makapaniwala, guys. Sinendan ako ni Daddy Mike ng photo. Sabi niya, do you like this for our anniversary? Tingnan nyo. Parang ano talaga, guys, Pamper day talaga ni Mami ngayon. Today. Ayan. So, I don't know if makikita niyo, guys. Ayan. So, do you like for you anniversary? Sabi niya, that's Gucci na hoodie. Sana all si Daddy Mike ay bumibili ng Gucci na hoodie. Never ever ko naisip na bibili si Daddy Mike ng Gucci na hoodie. But I'm so glad na tinanong niya ako first kung gusto ko ba. Kasi, although, you know me, I like brands and all, guys. Pero, pagdating sa mga damit, I don't think it is worth it sa damit, yung mga brand na ganyan. Kasi, chinek ko siya, guys, ha. I went to the website straight away. Chinek ko kung magkano siya. And you know what I found out? Tingnan nyo. So, yan yun siya from Gucci. And that's for 1,550 Australian dollars. Seriously. Yan lang siya. Yung jumper na yan. But I know that Daddy Mike knows that I like all these things. Ganito, ganyan. And, you know, gusto niya ako mapasaya for, anniversary. But, yeah, sabi ko sa kanya, yung reply ko sa kanya, guys, sabi ko na lang sa kanya, uy, hindi niyo makita. Sabi ko, oh, Daddy, oh, lovely, Daddy, but not a fan. Sabi ko ganun. But I appreciate it very much. Yeah, sa damit kasi, guys, hindi ako, galing nga ako na ukay-ukay eh. Ito, binili ko nga sa ukay-ukay to. It's so funny kasi nung sinend niya sa akin yun, nandun ako sa ukay-ukay. So, binili ko to siya kasi naginawan ako, guys. Hindi kasi ako nagdala ng jacket ko talaga. And naglakad-lakad ako. Gininawa ko. So, pumunta ako ng ukay-ukay. Binili ko to. Ayan. May tags pa. $13. Yes, $13. Tapos si Daddy Mike nag-send sa akin doon. Gucci. But this one, I like it. Tingnan nyo. $13 lang to. Anyways, alis na tayo, guys. Okay natin to be para makita nyo ang ating kamukhaan. Alis na tayo kasi si Daddy Mike at saka si Paris umuwi na sila kasi Paris is na daw, suking na daw doon sa sa shops kaya umuwi sila. Hello. Have you got a lot of toys?
Daddy.
Just close this one. Diyan ko na lang muna pinark yung car, guys. So, kasi we're going out again soon. How are you, anak? How are you? Wow! How messy is that?
That's 4.
What is it?
That's 4.
4?
There's no shocking toys
It's
there.
not so good at it. Did you buy a new favorite?
That's me.
Yes, you did.
Make him see.
Hurry up.
You did.
This one.
Mom, can make him see nails?
Here's mommy. Oh gosh!
Mom, make
That's
him
Shayna's.
Oh, you want to see my nails?
green.
Do you like it?
Yeah? I want like green.
Green like?
Rocky.
I like it like that.
Did you poo-poo?
No.
Can you fix that one?
Really only? Yay! Did you have fun with Daddy?
Yeah, in the shops.
You had a lot of toys.
Yeah?
Oh my goodness.
Did you cry when we took you to the hairdresser?
Yeah.
Was she the one who's saying
Yeah.
that she wants a haircut, or was it you?
Yeah, no, it was her. And then I knew you said no, but I took her anyway. And I wasn't going to get a haircut. I said, can you just like style her hair for her and I'll pay for it?
But
No, I told her, can you make it like a braid or something?
Yeah.
and then she went to do it, and then Paris crapped herself.
Cried.
No, Daddy, no. She's like,
She said, hi, Tita and Tito.
Hi, Tita and Tito.
Show your toys, me. Come on.
Mahal sa mahal.
Baby. Show. Wow.
I got half today.
That's a lot. What's that?
That's for sleeping.
This is your sleep mask?
Paris?
Sleep mask?
Paris?
What else?
Who's that?
What else?
Who's that? Diana.
Let's open this.
Who's that?
A baby. I want to open this.
Did you eat?
Yeah, I did. I eat my noodles.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
I love you.
I want to try to that.
Do you like my nails, na?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
I never my controllers.
A few moments later.
Ready na siya, guys. Pero ito siya. Ready siya kanina, ngayon hindi na. Hindi kasi siya nagnap. Kaya, pag change ko ng napin niya, nakatulog pala. Ang daddy niya pupunta ng gym. Tingnan yung buhok ng kanyang daddy, guys. Oh. Tumutubo na.
I think I didn't wash this glass properly.
Yeah.
But I don't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna drink it.
Bob, you've been drinking it anyways.
I know, but like,
what's the difference gonna make?
There's like all of the stuff that I've put in here is at the bottom. Can't be too bad, whatever it was.
Hintayin na lang namin ito magising. Patulugin konti. Dadalhin sana namin yung mga nilabhan ko kanina, guys, kasi may 2 load kami ng damit na nilabhan ko. Kasi dadalhin ko sana doon sa laundromat para i-dry ba. Kasi malaki yung dryer nila. Hindi kasi madaling mag-dry dito ngayon, especially na winter, tapos umuulan always. Hindi siya nada-dry. Yung ano dito sa loob, isang clothes rack lang kami. So, hindi talaga nauubos. Kaya sabi ko, dalhin namin doon. Tapos ngayon, late naman. Late na. Paano na yan? Idadrop pa namin yung tatay niya sa gym. Tapos mag-grocery pa kami mamaya. Dami pang gagawin.
Mine. Do you want to help?
Yeah, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to find the pink one.
Here. Okay, it's got purple and yellow.
No, I don't like purple and yellow. I want pink one.
Where did you put it?
Somewhere.
Somewhere? Oh no.
How to go to find it?
You found it.
Mama, can I make one on mine?
Okay. Show mommy how you do it. And show Tita and Tito as well. What is that? Show them what's this.
That's for sleeping.
They're for sleeping. How do you call them?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I just gonna tell Daddy.
Ask Daddy what this. What is it now? What did Daddy say?
They're for sleeping.
They're for sleeping?
Open, this is flower.
It is sleep mask.
Ah, yeah.
You say sleep mask.
Sleep mask.
Sleep mask.
Sleep mask. Open it. I want to make one of mine. Mama?
Yes, na?
Can I make mine one?
Alam nyo guys, I'm super tired. Gusto ko ng matulog.
Open that for me.
Ito siya, nagnap sa sasakyan. Kaya, katulad to siya ng daddy niya ba, mamaya pa to sila matutulog. Pero ako, yung mata ko ay sobrang gakatagak na. Maaga kami bukas kasi, where are we going tomorrow?
See, what's it?
You know.
What's it?
Lola?
Karen.
Karen, yeah. So we're going for a long drive tomorrow. It's more than 2 hours, I'd say. Maaga kami aalis, so... Oh my Lord. Magpapahinga na kami. Well, ako. Si Daddy Mike ayon sa kusina naghuhugas ng plato, guys.
Mama, what time?
Nag-nap kasi yan siya kaninang hapon. What is the snack?
My lunchbox.
Your lunchbox?
Yeah.
Daddy's washing your lunchbox?
No.
Wow, tingnan yung ginagawa niya. You're very creative, anak.
Yes? Now this is purple.
Ito yung ginagaya niya.
Mommy, what color is this?
Tell me.
This one. It's pink.
Is it?
There's pink here. Well, what color is it?
Purple.
This one? That's purple. Wow.
It is. Guys, pagpasensyahan niyo na kung medyo maingay ha dahil sa heater natin yan. Winter na kasi nak, no? Is it winter, nak?
Yeah?
Yeah. Sobrang nahuhulog talaga yung aking mata, guys. Today, well done, honey. Show mommy here, babe. Here. Come here. Wow, so good. You're so creative, honey.
Hey, then another one.
Oh, you're making another one. Ayan. But yeah, it has been a great day for me, guys. I've done my nails. Ayan. Again, I'm not super into it, the color, but anyways, I've done my massage. Super happy about it. And yeah, I have my family. Everyone's healthy. Super happy. Super happy today. Super blessed. Yeah, yan na natin yung vlog dito. I'm just going to do a quick shout out. And the first one goes to Jocelyn Pason, Rubica Duyak, from Cagayan de Oro City. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Rona May Gabrilio, Alan Esteves, Juvie Love Lala, the Elaine Trero Amoloria Rosales family, Crispina Palma, Calvin Burinaga, Claudine Reid, Claudine's Kitchen, Winnie Dozon, Lovely Dugomeo, Remedios Pauline, Sai M, Joanne Owano, Loleta Rivera, Rosemary Verzon, Hilaska, Agnes Mariano, Vicky Inot, Mylene Franco. Oh, good job, honey. Naida Trofil, Jose De Leo, Jen De Leon. Hello sa inyo diha, mga moms. Christina Alipungan Vlog, Donna Ladera, Belendi Jesus, Muli Navidad, and Elena Risolis. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
bye. Bye. Mama, don't forget, Mama.